Cool school gadgets on Amazon. As technology continues to evolve, it's no surprise that students are turning to innovative gadgets to help them excel in their studies. Whether it's a high-tech calculator, a smart notebook, or a portable charger, Amazon has a wide range of cool school gadgets that can make the academic journey a little easier and more enjoyable. These gadgets not only help students stay organized and focused, but also allow them to explore new ways of learning and expressing themselves. Lepao Portable Monitor Laptop Display. With embedded quantum dot enhancement film, Lepao Z1 Gamut upgrades display color gamut to 72% NTSC, indicating this new model can present a broader color spectrum and give viewers better visual enjoyment in videos and games. You will be no longer content with normal Full HD after the Lepao Z1 Gamut Portable P monitor. These USB portable monitors bring every frame alive and restore true colors for you. Lepao portable computer monitors adopt 15.6-1920*1080 screens to create stunning image quality and immersive visual enjoyment for their users. Advanced IPS panel ensures their outstanding performance in response time, smoothness, and eye protection. Peraton Bluetooth Sports Headband Headphones. Peraton Bluetooth sleep headphones feature a soft headband design with a wireless sleep headset inside, allowing you to enjoy hands-free music and protecting you from being disturbed by your messy hair and sweat. Sleeping Headphones Sports Headband is perfectly suitable for naps, air travel, gym, workout, running, yoga, as well as sleeping. Bluetooth headband headphones are cool tech gifts for men/women/families/teens/friends. Sleep Headphones Bluetooth built-in 2 ultra-thin speakers device control module is in the middle of Bluetooth sleep headband. No press the ears. Sleeping headphones are comfortable enough to wear while lying down or sleeping on your side. Soundmix Laptop Stand. The office computer stand is totally made of thickened aluminum alloy, so the stand is sturdier and less wobbly. The rubber on the holder's hands sticks tightly and ensures your laptop is stable on the stand, and the rubber feet prevent the stand from slipping on your desktop. Moreover, the stand is detachable and easy to install without tools, so the lightweight laptop stand is really portable. The slim compact stand elevates your laptop by 6 inches to a perfect eye level and prevents you from hunching over your screen, which reduces neck and shoulder pain. Moreover, the edge of the stand is so smooth that protects you from being scratched. Soja's Retro Round Blue Light Glasses. The anti-blue light and anti-radiation coated lenses are best used for long hours of computer use to reduce symptoms of eye strain and maintain natural sleep patterns. The original non-prescription lenses can be replaced with progressive lenses at any store. Tira 90 is a kind of material that is super tough, wear-resistant, and stress-resistant, and thus the frame is not easily deformed or damaged. These blue light-blocking glasses are made of TR 90 full rims combined with half-metal frames, anti-blue light and anti-radiation lenses, soft silicone nose pads. All the quality details ensuring you a perfect wearing experience. The Soja's eyeglasses silicone nose pads can adapt to different nose shapes. 3M Monitor Mount Document Clip Copy Clip. Document clip mounts to your monitor with command adhesive strip, freeing up desk space and reducing movement of eyes, neck, and shoulders, minimizing strain and increasing comfort. The dual-function clip lets you slide in up to 5 sheets one-handed or securely clip up to 30 sheets. 30-day warranty. Gel technology creates a wrist rest that is firm enough to provide the support you need, but soft enough for optimal comfort. Maximize your desk space and adjust your monitor to a comfortable height to help reduce head and neck strain. Reduces clutter on your desk and places documents at eye level to help reduce head and neck strain. Mounts on the right or left side of the monitor with command adhesive strip and swings out of the way when not in use. Holds up to 30 sheets of letter or legal paper. Bobaga 4 Hours Auto Shut-Off Coffee Warmer Plate. If you are a slow drinker and you love hot coffee or tea, I'm pretty sure you're looking for a premium beverage warmer that can really keep your coffee hot. Because there's nothing more disappointing than a cup of coffee that's gone cold, and you also hate to reheat it again and again in microwave. Please give our mug warmer a chance to change your drinking life. It is definitely a great partner for you. Sip warm or hot coffee all day, no longer worried about being interrupted by busy work and having to reheat again and again in microwave. Keep the mug by your side constantly at the temperatures you like. Even if you have tasks to take care of around the house, you can still enjoy the mellow hot coffee. Sonic Bomb Dual Extra Loud Alarm Clock with Bed Shaker. Sonic Alert Store brings the loudest alarm clock for kids of all ages. Our 113 extra loud Sonic Bomb alarm clock allows you to adjust the volume and snooze time of the alarm. In addition to these adjustments, the alarm clock features red flashing alert lights specifically designed for heavy sleepers. It doesn't matter how much of a heavy sleeper you are. You're never going to be late for your college lectures using the Sonic Bomb alarm clock. You can adjust the duration of the alarm to 1 to 59 minutes and snooze time between 1 to 30 minutes. Waking up early in the morning can be difficult. OXO Good Grip Sweep and Swipe Laptop Cleaner. This OXO Good Grip Sweep and Swipe Laptop Cleaner makes it easy to keep your electronics clean. The microfiber pad removes smudges and fingerprints from screens, and the retractable brush easily sweeps debris and dust from keyboards. The storage cap protects the cleaner when not in use. The compact design is perfect for keeping at your desk or your laptop bag. Use with laptops, phones, tablets. To clean the microfiber, spot clean with warm water and mild soap. Blot out excess moisture with a clean dry towel and air dry. To clean the bristles, rinse with warm water and squeeze out the excess moisture with a clean dry towel. Rocketbook Fusion Smart Reusable Notebook. The Rocketbook Fusion is designed for every classroom, office, and personal mission. The Fusion is a reusable pen and paper notebook with 7 different page templates that connect to your favorite cloud services. 42 futuristic pages are packed with calendars, to-do lists, and note-taking layouts. And of course, the Fusion is made with patented reusable core technology. The synthetic paper allows you to write smoothly with a Pilot Friction pen, then magically wipe clean with a damp cloth to reuse again and again. Plan for life and work with monthly and weekly calendars, to-do lists, goal trackers, idea list, and both dotted and lined notebook pages. Diverse for everything from project management to fitness tracking to household planning. Premium reusable paper, durable spiral binding, and a waterproof cover. The flexible design allows it to lay flat for comfortable writing and planning sessions, whether you're at home, school, or the office. Mosiso Silicone Keyboard Cover Compatible. Designed to be compatible with MacBook Air 13-inch. Compatible with MacBook Pro 13-inch with Retina display. Compatible with MacBook Pro 15-inch with Retina displayed. Compatible with MacBook Pro 13-inch with CD-ROM drive. Compatible MacBook Pro 15-inch with CD-ROM drive. And compatible with iMac Wireless First Gen keyboard. Not compatible with other unmentioned models. Provide full protection for your keyboard against dust, liquid spill, key wear, and more. Engineered to fit precisely to your keyboard. Made with engineering-grade durable silicone. Ultra-thin to 0.3 mm, won't hurt the screen and makes it easier to type. Easy to apply and remove, completely washable and reusable. 1-year warranty on every keyboard cover. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.